Welcome to the Small Business Funding course, where you're going to learn how to raise up to $50,000 fast. My name is Bumi Tokon, and I'll be leading you through the course. I began my career as a small business owner, then transitioned into becoming a business advisor and university lecturer. Over the years, I've worked in organizations where we actually lend money to people to start up businesses and growing businesses. So I understand how, raising funds really works. So I've designed this course to give you the step-by-step process, as well as the principles that will help you to raise the funding that you want, either as a startup or growing business. At the end of the course, you'll understand the psychology of raising money. You'll also be in a position to ensure that your funding efforts bring the results that you want. So, in effect, you'll be able to raise the money that you need for your business. I'm going to teach you the exact steps and template that I've used to raise money, either loans or grants, over the years. I've done this repeatedly, so I understand what I'm doing, so you'll be able to learn from it and apply the same principles that I'm going to give you. This course is ideal for somebody who wants to raise money as a startup business or a growing business. All you need is to come into this course with an open mind, willing to learn, willing to work hard, and put into practice what I'm going to teach you. All right? I'll see you on the inside.